Oh, beg my pardon. So here we are, it's Jay's Bar after hours. We didn't take any pictures, do any videos, nothing. Here we are toward the 2nd, 3rd of April, just after Passover. Easter's coming up this Sunday. It's Thursday, obviously. And I beg my pardon. Beg my pardon. So we found a video on YouTube. We couldn't think of the name of that. Sam came to the rescue. Awesome. And found the name of the song, so we got that. We got it downloaded and into the list for the Shoutcast, the yearly Shoutcast update for 2011. And we're draining the water off the pool, and got a new snowblower from Lewis at work, and it sucks and it don't run right, and we're gonna fucking break it more and see why it doesn't run right. And we still got the fail going on here, and the clock going on, and I didn't even bother turning on that shit or the neon shit, because it's just Matt and Sam, so who gives a shit about that? Oh, beg my pardon, beg my pardon. So, being that all of our parts are begged, I'm on fucking vacation. That's right, I'm on vacation. And I literally don't give a shit at this point. So we're drinking the wine. I'm drinking the wine, drinking the wine. Oh, drinking the wine. Drinking the wine. Oh, I'll beg my pardon. So we're frigged over and fogged out big time on the 907. I mean 401, but it's the 907. And, yeah. So we're chooching. Definitely chooching. That's pretty much it. I don't know when we're opening the pool just yet. Coming up. Not sure when. Next couple of weeks there. And we got the hydro back, so we're not frigged over and rutty anymore. And yeah, so that's the deal. So we're still getting fogged out on the 907. And we just finished up a decent night, because I got a couple of songs from Eric Take a Crapton. Right, yeah, take a crapton. And we're going to put away the Hanukkah bush, hopefully, in the next couple days, and that, and this and that, different things, and yeah. So, this is not terribly exciting, not too much going on, just on vacation. We're going to put up some lights in the ceiling here. We're going to get rid of the blacklight guy. And then the base, we're going to put red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, rainbow. So Terrence can come over again. And we're going to do that, yeah. So I don't know quite when. We're going to redo the server room and get the new network equipment up and running there. And that way you can beg my pardon. And that'll be all up and running there. And we're checking out my beard, which is going to be going in the next couple of weeks. I haven't decided quite yet when, but it'll be in the next 6 weeks, certainly, for definitely before my birthday. Don't know quite when just yet. We're going to kind of play it by ear and keep playing with it here. It's over 1.5 inches long in places here, so keep doing that, different things, this and that, on the 907 hammer down, choose it, yeah. Alright, so it's drunken time. We're drinking the wine. Oh, beg my pardon. Look at that. Almost done. Beg my pardon. Yeah, chooch it.